Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1-minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. Those of you who watch my videos regularly might know that I'm a bit of a cat person. At home here in North London we have 3 cats. And our oldest, Peanut, has been acting a little bit strangely recently. She's been meowing a lot and she's been very needy, looking for lots of attention. I'm a bit worried about her and I'm thinking of maybe trying to take her to the vets because she seems very out of sorts. If you say that a person or an animal is out of sorts, it can mean they're a bit unhappy. It might mean they seem a bit irritable, they get angry easily. It might mean they're a bit ill. It might mean they're a bit upset. So you might say to a friend of yours, "Are you okay? You look a bit out of sorts," if you can see that they're not looking like they normally do. Or maybe it's just a feeling you get from them. So you might ask, "Are you okay? Maybe it's just me, but you seem a bit out of sorts at the moment." Sometimes if you've had long, trying, stressful days, by the time you get home, it's only normal to be feeling a bit out of sorts. At this time of year, a lot of people end up feeling a bit tired, a bit headachy, and just generally a bit out of sorts. And maybe you've got a friend and you know that they're not quite their normal self at the moment. You might comment to another friend, "I hope he's okay. I know something's been bugging him the last few weeks because he's been very out of sorts of late." If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use out of sorts.